The outer cover of the seed is what is normally very important to deal with, because that one is the one which the seed coat is the one which normally inhibits most of the time it inhibits moisture to get inside the seed and be able to fast track the germination process. So we will most of our pretreatment conditions are adhered towards breaking that dormancy of the seed coat. Yeah. So we can either retreat using hot water, and hot water is not like boiling. Most of our customers boil them like the way we boil beans. Yeah. That is not pretreatment. There is a way, and through our able leadership of our director here, we are in the process of actually coming up with a book on pretreatment of tree seeds, which is almost done. Yeah. So we have different types of pretreatment. One of them is nipping. Here we cut. Yeah. At least to make sure that how we do it, we use a secateur. And then we cut opposite of the seed attachment to the seed. Yeah. So you just cut a little bit to expose the inner part of the seed to be able to get water.
Why do you cut the opposite?
Yes.
The reason why we cut the opposite direction is because at the upper part, where it's attached to the mother plant, is where the embryo is. So if you cut the embryo, basically that seed is not inside.
Yes. So that is nipping. There is nipping plus vision. You see, these ones have wings. These ones are the terminales. So they have wings.
Species.
Dryland species. So the main reason why they have wings is to be able to be dispersed. So you want to limit that movement, and you also want to make sure that the water gets through the seed. Most of the dryland species have that tough coating. So you want to make sure that water actually gets through into the seed for germination. There are others which we soak in cold water, and then there are others which require even much more complicated type of scarification, where we use chemicals. But you see, this one we cannot tell a farmer the other chemicals which are very dangerous for them to utilize. So we are trying to come up with various pretreatments which are actually very effective to the farmers, and there's a lot of research is ongoing currently in terms of seed to try and improve the germination status of our seed.
Lazima tuzitimiza